Welcome to the Forestry Power. The ultimate destination for jaw-dropping moments and high-stakes action. Today, we bring you a thrilling compilation of intense truck mishaps and heavy equipment fails, showcasing the dangers and challenges faced in extreme work environments. Brace yourself for a pulse-pounding journey where precision meets peril, and every mistake could be catastrophic. Let's jump straight into the action. Have you ever witnessed two Cat 320DS lifting a truck like it weighs nothing, just as they're pulling it up? Boom! A tire bursts. The tension was palpable, but wow, the crew didn't even flinch. Their teamwork was nothing short of perfection. And let's not forget the fence. It's the quiet hero of the scene. Just a few inches closer, and that tree could have crushed the car. Talk about a close call. Then there was the container lift, a nerve-wracking operation requiring pinpoint accuracy. One wrong move, and the whole thing could have ended in disaster. Watching the intense focus on display was like seeing an artist at work. This is skill honed to perfection. And speaking of heart-stopping moments, how about that truck that flipped on the steep? Unforgiving hills of San Sebastian, with scattered everywhere.
Se calibró, mire, es de adelante que viene calibrado.
Yet somehow, miraculously, everyone walked away.
¡Se fue! Mierda, coño.
Can you believe a crane was taken down by a ship in Kong? That's the kind of jaw-dropping moment you think only happens in movies.
Crane smashed into another crane before hitting the ground. Dock workers on the ground could be seen running away from the crash site.
Over in Romania, the 95 Lawn Sedat tractor, built specifically for snow, found itself struggling against the elements. It's almost poetic. Man versus nature, machine versus snow. Meanwhile, over on an icy runway, a wheel loader became the hero of the day, dragging a truck through treacherous conditions with the kind of raw power that leaves you speechless.
It's not just machines at work. It's the raw power of teamwork, breaking through every barrier in its path.
Big Dick. Hey, don't get you.
And then there's the Ford TWW45. Who would have thought a tractor could wheelie? It's not just a workhorse, it's a straight-up showstopper. Watching it in action, you can't help but think, wow, this is next-level engineering. Speaking of next level, the epic showdown between the KTK 701 and a massive tree was pure power versus nature. Every push, every crunch of the bark, it was like witnessing a battle of titans. When winter storms hit, the Bat-2 bulldozer doesn't just plow snow, it dominates it. Watching it tear through ice and snow is a reminder that some machines aren't just tools, they're unstoppable forces. And let's talk about the LKT-80 truck rescuing a Mercedes-Benz Unimog from beneath layers of frozen water. It didn't just save the day, it redefined what heavy-duty machines are capable of. Who needs a superhero when you have this kind of power? The suspense didn't stop there. The New Holland E19 excavator found itself stuck in a seemingly impossible situation. Just when it looked like game over, the operator showed nerves of steel, pulling it free like an absolute pro. If that's not the definition of skill, I don't know what is. Ever seen an excavator toss massive rocks like they're weight? And that homemade snowplow? It wasn't just cutting through snow, it was carving its name into history. With its hydraulic blades slicing through icy terrain, it was like bringing a sword to a snowball fight. Precision was the name of the game when a forklift carefully maneuvered two heavy containers. It was like watching a high-stakes game of Jenga, pure suspense. And how about that tiny tractor pulling a massive truck? You'd never guess something so small could pack such a punch. It was one of those moments where you just have to say, "Look how cool this is." Then there was the dramatic 48-hour rescue of a semi-trailer stuck in dire straits.
We're ready. Yeah, we try.
The journey was packed with challenges, but the determination of the team was unstoppable.
The truck starts to move back.
Can you see over the corner? The trailer. Is it okay?
Corder checks that the trailer is safe from tipping and not being damaged by...
And who can forget the Amazon River crossing? With the bridge closed, a ferry stacked with gigantic logs braved turbulent waters. It wasn't just transportation, it was survival. The sheer grit of the crew and their machines was awe-inspiring. From tractors battling it out in a clash of titans to trucks bulldozing through seemingly impossible terrain, every scene is a masterpiece of engineering and bravery. Watching these machines in action is more than exciting. It's downright inspiring. If these epic moments blew your mind as much as they did ours, show your love. Drop a comment, hit that like button, and make sure to subscribe to the Forestry Power. Your support fuels our fire to bring you even more jaw-dropping adventures.
Here, right there.
Stay tuned for our next episode, where the impossible becomes reality and every moment is an edge-of-your-seat thrill ride.